Hello, this is Vance, and this is Wednesday, September the 3rd, 2014. And these are the CL trades for today using the slow hand method for price action. I'm looking at the chart for this morning. The overnight high was 93.97. Ooh, I should mark that in. Just a second here. 93.97. Oh, pardon me, 94.01. Just bumped up here. So here's the overnight high, 94.01, and we're just a few minutes before the open. So I'm going to have to do this very quickly. They had a little bit of problems, just to kind of give you a little bit of explanation. Didn't do the daily recap yesterday. I had some problems with Camtasia. They sent me an update, I updated it, and then promptly told me that my trial version had expired. And funny thing is, I don't have a trial version. And so I had to write to them, try to get figure out what was wrong, and I had to reload it and a whole bit. So as a result, I didn't have the update from yesterday, but I'll do that later today. And I know it's late, but it might give you some perspective because it was a down day yesterday, and we unwound right from virtually from the open. Now, what I've got here is that the low is 93.06, the high is just really 94.01. So we've got this 100 tick range. We sold off yesterday quite a few ticks. We sold off from 95. Well, I guess it was above 95, 95.88, all the way down to, well, yesterday it says down to 92.68. So it was almost a $3 move. Let's take a look. I'll show you on the 1440. You can see this was yesterday. So it was 95.89, 95.88. This red bar here represents that entire sell-off. And now what we're doing is that we're bouncing along this area, about $93 mark, where prices come down. Now we're back up with 94, but you see price tick down to this area, and now it looks like we're maybe firming up. But that represented yesterday. News-driven event. Perhaps prices came off fairly significantly. But the point is that now we're in this uptrend from overnight, and where is price going to retrace to, or where are we going to have a retracement? Where our target should be? Well, if we look at the target for last night's overnight high, maybe a little bit ambitious. I mean, from yesterday's overnight high, not today. Yeah, yesterday. That might be overly ambitious because of the fact that it would have to get above close to 96 in order to get close to that. But when we look at what has happened so far this morning, we'll wait for the open at 9 o'clock, see how prices really firm up, because we've had a fairly strong move. And this may represent the fact that now that we've been in this, we've had prices kind of capitulate since 7:30. And it's come sideways. If we come back down here, retest this area, it might be a place to go long because this is a pretty strong move. So you have to say that right now that the bias off this bottom is up. And so we have like a bullish bias at this point in time. But again, we'll wait for 9 o'clock to see how prices respond right at the open. This may be a precursor to what we'll have for a portion of this day. Do I think that we're going to go back to 96? Well, that might be an outside target in mind. But we'll certainly look at areas of, to the left side of the chart, where areas of resistance from yesterday, or perhaps a few days ago, where price should be heading. And but that's it for now. So really, I'm not going to be doing anything till 9 o'clock. We'll have to wait and see what that happens as far as the open. Very brief, I'll do an update for yesterday, now that I've got this Camtasia working again. I'll do the final recap later on, and then I'll just discuss that. I know, as again, it's better late than never, but at least you'll have an idea of what I was thinking about for the pre-market this morning. That's it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Bye for now.